this is actually a new window that actually overwrote whatever we've you know, like before we actually had the same table for the closed one, for the open traverse. Now we're having another table for the closed one. So now I'm actually doing the adjustment. So the first thing you're gonna actually notice too is, like you see here, I'm having one single point. My point 1 and 6, they were actually overlapping. Now they're the same point. So and then you're gonna see here, it actually tells me what kind of adjustments it made. And then here it says it did the coordinates, compass, and the elevation. That's what it did. And it tells you here what is the linear error, the relative error, what kind of adjustments it made. You see here, so for each point it actually tells you what kind of adjustments it did in order to close your traverse. So this is actually the adjustments. You see, these are actually the adjustments. So what you actually need for the second printout is actually you need this as data, as an output from your software, and the traverse when closed. So if you want to make it neater, you don't need to have point 1 and 6. Now your point 1 and 6 are actually the same point. So what you can actually do, so I'm gonna close this window. So you print it, you go to tools and then you go to print. I'm gonna close this one, I don't need it anymore. And then what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna go to my point 6, and then instead of calling it 6, I'm gonna call it 1. Okay, and then it will ask me recall existing point and its coordinates. I'll say yes. Okay, and then you see, ta-da! You have point 1. So I'm only having 5 points instead of 6 because it's a closed traverse. So now for the side shots, what you're going to be doing actually is